Hey guys, I'm here with another passage that is on, I think, leveraged buyout. So let's move on. Let's see what it says. And the points stay the same. Handle your RCs around these things. Understanding the main idea, mapping the passage, locating important zones, pinning the types of questions, and using POE, that is process of elimination. Okay? Now let's check this out. Leveraged buyout. What is that exactly? क्या बोल रहा है passage? A business practice known as this. यहाँ होगा उसका meaning. So I'm just trying to understand the hero of the passage first, then the questions, and then I'll come back and read. Okay, something about business, leveraged buyout, entails, okay, again this, ठीक है, so this is the discussion here. The most famous leveraged buyout, okay, leveraged buyout, हर para का first line में I can see that, okay, cool. So the passage is on leveraged buyout. Now I need to go back to the back here, now I need to go to the questions. The author's attitude towards this can best be described as attitude. Tone question, right? I would love to start with this. It can be inferred from the passage that leveraged buyouts ultimately declined in popularity. भाई पूरे passage में decline तो नहीं हुआ होगा ना? Then he says ultimately declined in popularity. Why? You need to go and locate that. कहाँ decline हुआ? All of the following are implied in the passage about the effects. Okay, so true, false. You need to look for a para where there are effects mentioned of this thing called leverage buyout. Which of the following captures the irony in the use of leverage buyouts as suggested? Keep an eye out for irony when you are reading. Clear है सारे? ठीक है? चलिए देखते हैं क्या कह रहा है ये. In the early to mid 1980s, a business practice known as leveraged buyout became popular as a method for companies to expand without having to spend any of their own assets. How? The leveraged buyout was not without its problems, however, and in time it came to represent in the public imagination not only this but also this. So, analytical, positive and negative. Many of the main corporate figures saw spectacular rises and inevitably spectacular falls as they abused the leverage buyout as a means to extraordinary financial gain. They wanted windfall profits probably, and because of that they were turning to this thing, but they became greedy, like excess, they started doing excessive things. So because of that spectacular falls we experience हुआ. ठीक है? Abuse this. I understand after the first para, I pause and I think, so I understand they are talking about leveraged buyout. Leveraged buyout is probably, ये बोला है without spending any of their own assets, so probably giving it out to some other big company that can take it and run it. Okay, but it had its problems, और ये यहाँ पे problems का बताया है. Now, he gives you the description here, the explanation. A leveraged buyout entails one company purchasing another using the assets of the purchased company as the collateral to secure the funds needed to buy that company. बहुत ज़्यादा दिमाग घुसाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. दो कंपनीज का किस्सा हो गया. एक छोटी कंपनी है, not able to run its business, so the big company comes into the picture and buyout कर लिया using the assets of the purchased company, उसके land, labor, capital, organization, whatever as collateral. वो रख करके हम उसके बदले तुमको कंट्रोल देंगे, हम उसके बदले तुम्हारा बिजनेस चलाएंगे. ठीक है? By that company. The leveraged buyout allows companies to take on debt that their own assets would have been insufficient to secure in order to finance expansion. With their limited amount of assets, they could not have maybe secured some debts, but leveraged buyout में the big companies come and then they take these and they use these and run the company. So वो use का use भी हो जाता है, right? That's enough reading. Benefit of this, ये benefit, drawbacks, however, ये मैं अब vertical reading कर रही हूँ, आप देख लो. Capital, okay, purchased company, buyer, okay, funds are not obtained, यहाँ problem हो जाती है, right? So the author is kind of being analytical, दोनों side का देख रहा है. यहाँ कुछ तो उसने बोला है ये, benefit is obvious, but drawbacks की भी बात की है उसने. द मोस्ट फेमस, अब एक एग्जाम्पल दे रहा है वो इसका, आपको क्यों पढ़ना है ये क्वेश्चन, अगर होगा इससे रिलेटेड पढ़ लेंगे, ये तो मैंने पूरा स्किप किया, ठीक है, खाली एक दो वर्ड्स नजर आए, द टेक ओवर वॉज हॉस्टाइल मीनिंग दैट RJR समथिंग, ओके डन। नाउ आई गो डाउन हियर, द 1980s वर द हेडे ऑफ दिस, बहुत चला लेवरेज बाय आउट, इट वॉज इन फैशन as lending institutions were willing to loan money for these ventures. Okay, when the deals turned out to be much riskier than on paper, the lenders turned away from the buyouts and returned to the notion that borrowers must possess adequate collateral of their own. बड़ी कंपनीज को समझ में आ गया that it looked glorious only on paper and it was much riskier, and then they turned away from the buyouts and then they came back to this idea that no, वो जो छोटी कंपनीज they must possess अपना enough collateral, तभी जाकर के खेल खेलो, वरना नहीं है आपके पास तो मत खेलो, right? So there isn't much in this passage. The first para tells you about leverage buyout and उसका नुकसान, second para tells you totally about क्या होता है उसके अंदर and advantages, drawbacks जो भी, third para में example, fourth para में conclusion, finished, right? Without reading too much we can just get an idea क्या हो रहा है यहाँ, correct? चलो, now I would like to start with this best question होता है ये, tone या main idea, celebratory, highlighting them as ingenious, पूरी तारीफ तो की नहीं है उसने, ये वर्ड मैंने 4 बार तब से बोल लिया, और ये अगर आपको दिखता है ऑप्शंस में कोई भी टोन क्वेश्चन में तो पहले उसको प्रूव करना, चांसेस आर दैट इज द आंसर। एनालिटिकल येट क्रिटिकल, क्रिटिकल हाँ क्रिटिसाइज तो कर रहा है, एक्नॉलेजिंग देयर इनोवेशन माना है उसने, एम्फसाइजिंग देयर डिस्ट्रक्टिव कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस, दिस इज करेक्ट। डिटैच्ड एंड फैक्चुअल, फैक्चुअल है उसने पॉइंट्स बहुत सारे दिए हैं बट डिटैच्ड, एक्सप्लेनिंग द मैकेनिक्स ऑफ बायआउट्स विदाउट जजिंग देयर इफेक्ट्स, he is judging their effects, he is coming up with points, right? Facts भी दिया है, opinion भी दिया है, disapproving, अच्छा तो ये eliminate है, ये eliminate, disapproving, condemning them, भाई this is extreme language in CAT VARC, most unethical, reckless business practice, इतना कहीं भी उसको कोई गिला शिकवा नहीं है इससे, out. So we are left with this, analytical yet critical, done. Next, it can be inferred that the leverage buyouts ultimately declined in popularity because ultimately declined in popularity is somewhere here much riskier, they understood, okay kuch aisa hai, let's check the options first. Government regulators imposed stricter laws, this was not why they ultimately declined, out. Lending institutions realized that the risks involved outweighed the profits, risks ज्यादा हैं, this is what they realized and they said अपना अपना collateral होना चाहिए, ठीक है, ये turned away, riskier in life than on paper, right? So I can see this is good. Corporate investors began to favor joint ventures and mergers over buyouts, even this is not given. The last para clearly talks about them realizing that there are risks involved, so this is out. Public opposition to corporate greed forced lenders to withdraw, public opposition बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, so this is your answer. They realized that there were more risks involved than they actually understood, ठीक है, done. Question 3, all of the following are implied about the effects, effects पे बाद में आएंगे लास्ट में, पहले ये कर लेते हैं. Captures the underlying irony in the use of leveraged buyouts as suggested by the author, right? अब यहां तो ना पहले pause for a second and think this way, irony or paradox shows opposite, contrast. If it's black you have to show white, if it's death you have to show life, ऐसे. So I'm going to look for something like that जिसमें उतना contrast नहीं है, हटा दूंगी उसको मैं, ठीक है. चलिए, a strategy meant to promote corporate growth often led to corporate disintegration, growth disintegration रख सकते हैं. Efforts to reduce debt resulted in companies becoming more indebted, रख सकते हैं. Tactics used to bypass regulation ultimately increased regulatory oversight. A method that relied on collective financing was undermined by individual greed. अब relied on collective financing and individual greed, they are not stark opposites, ठीक है. दूसरी चीज यहाँ पे leveraged buyouts का मुद्दा क्या था? The मुद्दा was to promote companies, right? Now I'll take you back and we'll try to just see कहाँ पे कुछ तो irony के टाइप का कुछ तो बोला होगा, right? यहाँ first para, last para mainly check करूंगी मैं. This as a method for companies to expand without having to spend, right? But there were problems. ये represent not only corporate this excess and greed. So the problem was this. So irony was that you were trying to leverage a company, you were trying to leverage a business, right? Method for companies to expand. The companies were trying to expand, and at the same time, corporate figures rises, falls. Yeah. So you were trying to expand, and the same thing was leading to your downfall as they abused this. The irony is given there in clear terms, right? So I go back to this question number 4, and this fits the bill. Meant to promote this led to corporate disintegration, downfall. Fine. Efforts to reduce debt resulted in companies becoming more indebted. Those were not leverage buyout was not to reduce debt. No, it was to grow. वही तो बोला है. उस process में the big company came in and used the assets of that small company या जो भी dying company and उसको चलाया. तो debt reduce करने के लिए leverage buyout हो रहा है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. So this is out. Tactics used to bypass regulation. This is not even the concern of leverage buyout. So this is out and this is your answer. ठीक है? I think एक ही बचा है last. हाँ. Now about the effects of leverage buyouts except that day. So true one with a trap. ठीक है? Effects negative ही होगा. Often led to layoffs and dismantling of acquired firms. Dismantling तो दिया है. I need to check this. Okay. Could temporarily make companies appear more competitive. Okay. Frequently placed borrowing companies under heavy financial pressure. ये क्यों हुआ होगा? Consistently produce long-term financial stability for acquiring firms. But tell me one thing. मतलब, if I look at the pattern, this is negative, this is negative, this is negative, and this is the only one showing positive. So this has to be your answer. ठीक है? Long-term financial stability, because we know the author is not very happy about the idea of this. Frequently place borrowing companies under heavy financial pressure. ये इधर था. I'll show you. ये leverage buyout. Okay, the leverage buyout allows company to take on debt that their own assets नहीं ला पाता. ठीक है? The benefit of this, the drawbacks, however, apparent. The purchase company must perform this much to generate the capital to pay off the loans. Financial pressure. Funds are not obtained. The buyer may be forced to sell off the company or parts of the company less than the purchase price. Clear? तो ये financial pressure तो है, right? Resulted in evisceration of the purchased companies. Sub parts were sold. Okay, laid off. सब दे रखा है उसमें, right? Layoffs and dismantling. True. ये C. True. Even if you're left with B and D, this is positive and this is negative. So this will be there as part of the effect, and this should be your answer. Hope it's clear, everyone, and hope you enjoyed the passage plus the questions. I'm going to see you again very soon. Take care.